Your avatar isn't just a look, it's a weapon. I just equipped mine with a Cirque du Soleil costume. Let me show you how style meets strategy. In the sandbox, your avatar isn't just a character, it's your digital identity. Style it with NFT wearables and make every step uniquely yours. Now, you have a free avatar from Sandbox that you can change how it looks as often as you'd like. You just come to your account, customize avatar, and you can change their body. You can change their face, their skin color. You can even change their clothes. And after you finish all the changes, you just click Save Changes. And the more NFTs you buy, they come into your wardrobe and you can add them on your avatar. In the sandbox for the Builders Challenge, partner with Cirque du Soleil to bring to life a brand new transforming avatar collection, which means you can go and buy and equip a Cirque du Soleil costume, so then you can change your visuals and transformation in the game. Costumes also impact gameplay, and the EP accumulation is not just looks. Let's say you want to mint this mannequin. It loads me this page, you come here, you choose the mannequin you want, you connect your account, and you pay for it. Each mannequin with its stage-ready costume evolution becomes a playable avatar, and both stages of these collectibles embody the magic of Cirque du Soleil. And you can earn NFTs in Sand faster because each mannequin gives you different EPs. And then you can also access premium quest, and even you have the Jurassic World booster to get and increase your EP rewards. Each costume has rarity tiers from common to legendary. Legendary costumes offer the highest boost and of course visual prestige, and you can get it with 249 sands, which gets you up to 5,000 EPs in the Builders Challenge when transforming. So high-tier costumes increase your EP multiplier. EPs earned contribute to your share in the sand pool once premium pass is complete. And you can see that right now, Sand offers a 250,000 sand pool. In the marketplace, you can also buy, sell, or trade costumes and avatars, and you can do it directly through Sandbox Marketplace. And you also have the Create option where players can design their own assets and even monetize from them, and you can lease or even purchase collectibles directly from the Sandbox website. Jurassic World eggs, also from previous seasons, can still be burned for EPs, and you also have new abilities in the game like Dash and Glide, which are unlocked with specific costume tiers. Don't just play, express yourself. Customize your avatar, equip powerful NFTs, and boost your gameplay while earning real rewards. Click the link down in the description. Play today at the Builders Challenge is where fashion meets function. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel and leave any questions you may have in the comments, and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.